So we finally made it to the end of this series, and depending on how long I take right now, this may or may not be two parts. Hopefully I don't take too much time. So let me go ahead and pick up where I left off. In the last video, we did this tabbable content, and we'll go ahead and show you one more thing you can do with that. You can change this to tabs top if you wanted to, and it will quickly move your tabs to the top. And as you can assume, you can also change it to the right, and then let's refresh, and your tabs will be on the right. So that's pretty cool, very flexible. Of course you can do it on the bottom, but I think you get the idea. I'm gonna leave mine on the left, and I'll just save that. And we can add some finishing touches to our homepage. Just add a little bit more content, and it'll give me a chance to cover a few more items that I didn't get to explain enough. The first one I'm going to show you is an icon. Now, Bootstrap has a bunch of icons that are offered for free, and I'm going to show you 4 of them, and I'm going to put them up in the navigation area if I can find it, and it's in the header, and I'm going to put it right here on my home. Again, I'm open up an I tag, and I'm going to close it really quickly to make it a little more readable. And each I tag takes a class, and it starts out with icon dash whatever the name of your icon image is. And for this one, I'm going to use home, and that should be it. I'm going to save it and switch back to my browser and refresh. And you can see I got this nice little icon now next to my home button. I'm going to do the same for blog, about, and connect, just so I can show you very few of the many icons that are available. I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to go over to blog. And I'm going to add a space here just to have some room. And Bootstrap has the comment icon. Under about, I'm going to put the, here's one I like, icon info dash sign. And under connect, I'm going to put, break to a new line, and I'll add that space again. I'm going to use user. And so I'll go ahead and save it, switch back to my browser and refresh. And you can see we have our icons now. So it's just a nice little effect to add to our navigation bar. Let's add one more thing. Just below our, actually just above our login form, I want to add a block quote. So I'll open up a block quote tag, and I'll just hit tab. And Bootstrap formats these really nice. I like the way they look. And I'm gonna promote myself here. Well, forget to subscribe. More videos are coming soon. And there's a lot of things that I didn't get to go over in this series, and that's because I think they'd be kind of useless on a static web page. So what I decided to do was I'm gonna build a WordPress site, and we're gonna take advantage of pagination features that Bootstrap offers, breadcrumbs, alert boxes, popovers, a lot of other cool things. And I'll show you how to implement it using some PHP. I'm also going to do some Joomla sometime in the near future, but right now I'm going to focus on WordPress. Just below that, if you add a small tag, I'll put Bootstrap will format this really nicely for us. I'm going to switch back to my browser. First, I'm going to spell this right. And refresh. And we got a nice little formatted block quote here. And they even added this little dash mark. So that's pretty cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and split this video up into 2 parts because I want to go over responsive, and that's going to take a little bit more time. Something we haven't touched on yet, but as you can see, all of our elements are still responsive all the way down to mobile. And I'll show you how you can hide and sort of manipulate these elements to look a little bit better, depending on what your viewport is. Thanks for watching.